Looking for a way to keep your vehicle's undercarriage protected from the elements and rust-free? Find out how Dupli-Color can help. Now, most people drive their vehicle every day, and depending upon where you live, it's going to be subjected to different types of climates, from the desert, the dry desert, all the way up to the snow, sleet, and months of moisture. Now, Dupli-Color has a complete undercoating line that'll help protect your vehicle from those elements. Now, today I'm going to focus on Dupli-Color's Professional Undercoating and Sound Eliminator. Now, this thick black coating is designed to provide ultimate protection for your vehicle. This high solids formula acts as a sound deadener to reduce road noise and provides a like-new finish as it seals and protects. So I'm working on an old car here. This is a 1979 Chevy El Camino. Now, this car has seen a lot of miles over its years, and it's surprisingly in good shape for its age. So what we want to do is keep it that way, and I'm going to use Dupli-Color's Professional Undercoating with sound deadener. Now, these old vehicles don't have a lot of sound deadening, so that's going to help cut down on some of the road noise and also provide a like-new finish. Now, with any paint project, prep is key. And even though this isn't a paint project, it's an undercoating project, prep is still key because we're applying a coating that you need it to stick to a surface. Now, since we're applying the undercoating to the undercarriage of the car, with any car, it's subjected to harsh elements. There's going to be a lot of dirt, grease, grime, oils. All that needs to be cleaned off so the undercoating can do its job. So we have a few options here. Since we're working on our back, things might be a little bit more difficult to get to. Now, we have a grease and wax remover bulk here. You can literally pour it onto a rag and wipe it on the surface. We also have an aerosol version as well for ease of application. Now, you can also go ahead and pressure wash the underside of the vehicle, wipe it down or spray it again, clean off the grease and grime, pressure wash it again, get it good and clean, let it dry, and then we're going to go ahead and undercoat the surface. Clean off surfaces by removing dirt, oil, grease, and loose rust. Thoroughly clean contaminated areas with a Dupli-Color solvent prep product and allow to dry completely. If needed, mask surrounding areas to protect from overspray. Apply undercoating in a well-ventilated area and shake can for 5 minutes before using. For best results, use at temperatures between 60 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit with low humidity. Hold can 12 to 16 inches from the surface to be sprayed and apply evenly. Apply enough coats for full even coverage and maximum protection. Accidental overspray should be wiped off immediately with a Dupli-Color solvent prep product. The undercoating dries to the touch in 1 hour and completely dry in 2 hours. All right, I have the El Camino all undercoated and things are looking really good underneath there. I let it dry for about an hour. I peeled the paper off, and you're gonna wanna let it dry for a total of about 2 hours when you get your car back on the road. So you can use this undercoating on floor pans, wheel wells, gas tanks, frames, door jambs, pretty much endless as far as you want that excellent rust protection. Based on your needs, we have an assortment of undercoatings to choose from. For more information about these products and others from Dupli-Color, visit duplicolor.com.